I'm gonna do my dishes. La 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 la, la 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 la. Wow! Why is the break room sink always full? Is our budget again all spent? Why is the plumbing in this building so bad? That I don't understand, are we the ones paying rent? Get the plunger from under the sink. Get the snake. Get the snake. Get the snake. Maybe we could use a rake. Anyway, who is our plumber? Can't we just give him a call? What is his emergency number? Oh hell, it's backing up in the stall. A floater. 904-448-2727